Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Centenary shirt for AC Milan. And this is the 2025 shirt, but it's a 125-year Centenary shirt. This shirt was purchased from kitmm.com. All details to the seller will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a link to my usual seller on DHgate. I'm not sure whether they'll have this shirt, but if they do, or AC Milan ones, I'll link it. If not, it'll just be to some standard items from that seller. So the shirt comes in a standard bag, and on the flip side, it does have the usual health warnings. So if you are new around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as I mentioned, this is from kitmm.com, all details in the description. And the shirt is the AC Milan 125-year anniversary 2025 shirt. So what we'll do now is we'll get the bag open and we'll take a deeper dive and look at this AC Milan Centenary shirt. Okay, we'll start at the front of the shirt and it's got a proper collar line. And the collar doesn't look too bad. A little slight nick there, but nothing to worry about. Apart from that, you've got the standard V-neck at the bottom there. Now this is a Centenary retro looking shirt and I think it looks absolutely outstanding. Plain all over, just the badge there which says Milan Football and Cricket Club. Still got the English flag and the Milan flag there, with a nice like gold trim around it. Is that the English flag? It's not, is it? Because it's slightly to one side. At the bottom we have the authentic licensed football, and that's got a rubbery texture to it. And we also have dry sell on this side. The shirt is a Puma shirt, obviously no manufacturer on there or anything. If I put my hand under it, you can just about see my hand, so that gives you an indication of how see-through and lightweight the material is. It's a very shiny sort of feel to it. Really, really nice actually. So that's the front of the shirt. A good looking Centenary retro shirt. One of my favourites. Let's flip it around now and we'll take a look at the reverse side as well. Okay, we're on the reverse side now, and to be honest with you, there's not a lot to really shout out about on the reverse side. You've got this AC Milan 1899 logo up here, which is a rubber feel as well, so the same as what we see on the front side at the bottom. And I've actually just noticed, I don't know how I missed that. Oh, it's because it's on black. There is actually a Puma on the sleeve, which has been embroidered in. I didn't see that, because when I was looking at that, it was kind of hidden. I looked more down here. But you've got a Puma on that side and one on this side. Both have been embroidered in, and we'll take a look when we flip it inside out at how well that's gone on. A couple of creases there from the shirt's been in the bag, but nothing to worry about. The stitching all looks good on the back. Obviously no name number, keeping this one as authentic as we could. I just can't believe I didn't notice those Pumas look so obvious then when you look at it on the reverse side and it's on the red. But that's the back of the shirt. We'll flip it inside now and we'll take a look at that as well. Okay, we're now on the inside of the shirt and we do have some tags. Official technical sponsor, Puma Ultra Weave, and the sizing of XL. Where the collar's gone on, that looks good. The badge that we looked at on the front, I mentioned it's been embroidered in, and the stitching doesn't look too bad on that at all. And the Puma up here, you do have some of this paper. If you can't pull that off, then my recommendation is just to put some lukewarm water on it. That will then get it off quite easily. The stitching of the Puma though doesn't look overly great. A lot of loose cottons, but it'll be okay when you're wearing it because no one's going to see the inside. At the bottom we do have our washing instructions and a QR code. Obviously can't read those. Flip it in there. Okay, not in English, but the recommendation with washing these is to put it on a hand wash setting and flip it inside out. When you come to dry it, Just let it hang dry. Do not put it in a tumble dryer or anything like that. Hemline though on the inside looks good, and that's there where we've got our authentic product, which as we said has been pressed on. Okay, that's one part of the inside of the shirt. Flip it around and we'll take a look at the other side. It's really nice, this one. Okay, we've got the final part of the inside of the shirt, and there's the sponsor, Emirates Fly Better, which is normally on the front of the shirt. It's on the inside, so they've kept it on there. You've got the Puma XL made in Vietnam, and you've got this Centenary 125 years up here. Size wise, this is like a fans one, so I would keep the size as you are. If you normally buy an XL, then buy an XL. I tend to size up on most shirts, and that's because I wear shirts underneath them when I'm wearing them, mostly because I play football in them. So yeah, player ones I'd probably buy a double XL. Fan ones I'd buy an XL, even though traditionally I am a large. That's my height is 6'2", just to help people out a little bit. But nothing really shown this one. The badge is there. If I push in, you can't see the badge, so the material is a little bit thick. You can see the outline, but yeah, nothing else apart from that. Nothing really to call out on this side because it is the plain inside. We'll flip it around now and we'll go back to the front of the shirt. And there we have it. There is our AC Milan Centenary 2025 shirt. This is a Centenary 125 edition that was purchased from kitmm.com. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video. I'll also leave a link to my usual seller on DHgate where you'll be able to find items. I don't know if they'll have this one, but otherwise, if it's not, I'll link it to just another item from them. Now, as everyone knows, I do love a good retro, and this one is no change there. It's obviously a new style shirt, but it's got that retro look, being the Centenary shirt, so I absolutely love it. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Seller is kitmm.com. All details in the description of this video. Let me know what you think. Do you enjoy this one? Do you think it looks like a really, really good shirt? Or are you on the fence and not like me, enjoying the retro-ness? So thank you very much for watching this AC Milan Centenary shirt. I'll see you in the next one.